we're sitting there finally seeing it all pulled together, and it's like, oh my gosh, we made this on our computers and now here it is in motion. It felt alive, really. All of us who worked on this project are game development majors, so we were coming from a very technically minded standpoint, while VSO is coming from like obviously a music background. So I think the intersection of our perspectives added a lot more to both of our work.
I feel like it forced me to look at the bigger picture of things and like understand the way that your attention moves through art over time, because the music element is like a huge piece of this.
I mean, it's definitely given me a lot of like creative experience. So that's I think really valuable and something that I'm going to continue to apply to my work.
On the technical front, definitely working in Unreal Engine. It was a first for me going into this project, and now that I'm at the end, I feel like I have a very good handle on the systems and such. I feel so much more confident in my abilities that I have that experience.
Pretty much everything I worked on, aside from I guess the coding itself, like the language was new to me.
It's like a way to make art that directly impacts people, creating like an immersive experience with art and like getting to show that to people and impact like the community.
I feel like with games, which we've all been working in, you press a button and then your game is just kind of out there. But with a project like this, it has to be experienced in a very specific scenario and atmosphere and such. So seeing it all come together after weeks of practicing without the music alone in the airplane hangar, finally having the orchestra and the choir there and the audience watching it all pulled together and work so well was just such an inspiring feeling for the future.
And that was the moment that it felt like we really succeeded. Like this actually did affect people and like touch them in a certain way.
Completely magical.